Hello, thanks for watching this supplementary video for our paper, StyleSync, High-Fidelity Generalized and Personalized Lip Sync in Style-Based Generator.
Our method not only supports high-fidelity modification to any target template video according to conditional audio but can further adapt to personal styles using only limited frames for optimization.
But no, did the whole thing. This one, I've got no idea. It's number 2. I'm just running around with Wyatt all day long, and so I haven't looked at the book. I haven't even refreshed.
So
anyone would be a fool to say they wouldn't want to be recognized for something like that. So
I'm tough in that I'm always looking for the best in myself, and I want.
Nobody is as moody as I used to be. So it's, in a way, I'm very happy I was that way back.
And interview and get in the minds of serial killers. I've even read books on men on death row, their last meal, their last words. I don't know what my fascination is.
Get it up before, so now finally this is the moment they found their true passion. They figured out who they are.
Now, as we saw in that report by our correspondent Catherine Bayer.
Now, you are watching the results of our generalized model. The generated video is in high fidelity and synchronized with the given audio. After personalized optimization, our method can be further adapted to the talking style of a given identity.
Now, as we saw in that report by our correspondent,
was doing the scene which was emotional, but then all of a sudden we wrapped and
Irish people know what freedom is. We have more in common with each other than we do.
Related to being a poor girl, I know what education could do for a poor girl, so I wanted to.
So they look radically different, but their origins are actually from the same place.
A good song that's written well with a great melody, that can translate regardless. In Sugarland we do a lot.
So they look radically different.
A good song that's written well with a great melody, that can translate regardless.
I always wanted older brothers, so a few doors up from where I lived, there was a
And before I introduce him, for better historic understanding and context, a little Taoism 101. And before I introduce him, for better historic understanding and context, a little Taoism 101. And before I introduce him, for better historic understanding and context, a little Taoism 101. That's the question I think all of us do when you're caught in the middle of a crisis. That's the question I think all of us do when you're caught in the middle of a crisis. That's the question I think all of us do when you're caught in the middle of a crisis.
Are you uninsured or looking for more?
Twitter has told employees that the company's office buildings will be temporarily closed, with immediate effect.
In the meantime, one of our other main...
Twitter hat den Mitarbeitern mitgeteilt, dass die Bürogebäude des Unternehmens mit sofortiger Wirkung vorübergehend geschlossen werden.
Now, South Africa says it will.
Twitter 已告知员工，公司办公楼将暂时关闭，即日起生效。
All human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights.
They are endowed with reason and conscience and should treat each other in a spirit of brotherhood.
Thanks for watching and have a good day.